And today we're taking a look at this limited edition Z50 Tokyo limited edition. Now, we did a full spec on limited edition bikes going for sale on our Japanese auctions pages, bikes that go on sale on Japanese motorcycle auctions, and one of them was this limited edition Tokyo. If you'd like to see the whole video on this Tokyo limited edition, there's the link in the description. Please go check it out over there. But what we're doing today is taking a look at this bike and seeing what it actually sold for. So this bike, as I said, is the Tokyo limited edition. It was specifically made for the Japanese domestic market and in limited numbers. So a very rare and collectible bike. And so for those of you that are into collecting Honda Z50 monkeys, we're making this video to show you what they sell for. Need a hand in the garage? Grab your free motorcycle workshop manual from my50.com. No cost, no catch, just real manuals for real riders. Download yours today. So we put in a proxy bid just to get a result. And here you go. This bike sold for 340,000 yen. We put in a bid of 200,000. It was an ambitious bid. I thought it would go for over 300,000, but there you go, 340,000. So not a bad price actually for a collectible Honda Z50. If you're into Honda Z50s, or in fact any motorcycle, and you're looking to buy bikes from Japan, why don't you head over to our website my50.com, and you can click on the Japanese auction pages, which will take you to this page over here. You can register for your free account. Once you've logged in and registered for your free account, you'll be taken to the Japanese auction pages. Looks like this. Actually, there's the auction list right over here. Let me take you to the beginning. You'll get into a page that looks like this, which will take you to the auction list, where you can search for any kind of bikes that you want. There's big bikes, small bikes, and it doesn't even have to be Japanese bikes. There's Harley Davidsons. There's another couple of Harleys down there. And if we go up to the search box, you'll see we've got BMW, Ducati, Triumph, KTM, Vespa. The list goes on. So all kinds of bikes available on our Japanese motorcycle auctions platforms. Feel free to head over, as I said, to our website my50.com. Sign in for your free account over there. Hope you've enjoyed today and our video today, and feel free to sign up and create your account. If you enjoy the content we've created, we'd love it if you could like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue bringing you more information about how to buy bikes on Japanese motorcycle auctions. Thanks for watching.